Hello everyone, in this video we will see how to visualize temporal data. Let us first understand what is temporal data. Temporal data refers to time. Temporal data is data that represents a state in time. For example, land use pattern of Hong Kong in 1990. Another example is total rainfall in US on 1st July 2009. Temporal data is basically collected to analyze weather patterns, environmental variables, monitor traffic conditions, and so on. Temporal data is a data in which values that you see in data source depends on time. For example, business sales, natural phenomenon, behavior or movement. It can be a human or animal behavior. Think like animals are moving around the world or cars are moving. Then traffic and mobility, medical, healthcare and financial data. There are two types of temporal data, event data and second one is measurement data. Let us see what is event data. Every object in data set represent one single event. For example, something happened at time t. So any message on social media at particular time t can be an event, or message on Facebook can also be an event. Second is measurement data. This is the particular value at particular time. For example, from sensor we measure temperature, or from finance revenue or stock values. Now these are the various ways by using which you can visualize temporal data: time series, timeline, scatter plot, line graphs. I am going to use time series visualization technique for visualization of temporal data. Let us understand what is time series visualization. Time series analysis is basically a technique which is used to record and analyze data points over a particular period of time, like daily, monthly or yearly. Time series chart is graphical representation of time series data. Now this time series visualization, it is used for analysis of trends and seasonal components from time series data. It also helps us to compare multiple dimensions over time. For example, you can compare sales in year 2014 with sales in year 2015. Another use is you can use time series visualization for spot trends. So let us understand what is spot trends. It is basically an attempt to spot a pattern or trend in data or predict future events. For example, if you find sales value in month January is initially average and at the end of month it increases. For February month, same thing happens. Initially sales value was average, or you can say lower, and at the end of month it is increasing. For all the month in that year, if same pattern is observed, then you can predict the future sales trend also. Then next is, it is also used to identify seasonal patterns in data. For example, if you observe sales for particular product category increases in season winter every year. Now examples are stock market analysis, population trend analysis, sales and profit trends over time. Let us see how to create time series visualization using Tableau. This is a start page of Tableau. I am using saved data source, that is my superstore. Already I have connected to that dataset before. It is loading. Okay, see, this is my superstore dataset, dimensions and measures, windows. Now just rename this sheet 1 as temporal, and you can give the proper title. So I will give title as build time series charts with two variables, cells and time. So we are using cells and time variables to create time series chart. Okay, now from dimensions select order date and drop it on columns shelf. So 4 columns are created. Now from measures select cells and drop it on rows shelf. So you'll get this default line chart. So this mark shelf automatically selects a line graph for the chart. So this chart shows cells in years. Further you can drill down to quarter and month levels. For that you just need to click on this plus sign of year. So here quarterly sales amount is shown. If you want to view it month wise, just click on this plus sign. So here quarters and months. Now this data is broken down into month and quarter level. This chart is useful, but it is displayed in discrete format. It will be more useful if the data is displayed in continuous form. To convert the chart into continuous format, time series chart, just click on this minus sign and right click here, select continuous. So this is the continuous chart. Now this chart shows trend of annual sales from 2014 to 2018. There is continuous trend of increase in sales volume. However, it is better to analyze the time series data by breaking it down to a monthly level. It is easy to change the chart breakdown from annual to monthly. Just right click on year and select month. So you'll get this monthly chart. This chart is more insightful as it allows us to see the sales fluctuation across the various months and years. This is also useful to find out seasonality and trend components of time series data. Now if you observe the pattern, at the end of each year sales value seems to be much higher as compared to starting months. See, for December and November of year 2014 sales values are much higher as compared to January, February or March. Same pattern is observed for year 2015. At the end of year sales values are higher as compared to starting month values. Same for 2016, sales values are higher as compared to starting month's sales value. That means at the end of year sales values are higher as compared to start of the year. This pattern is known as seasonality. Now we have data from 2014 to 2018. If you want to predict the future trend of sales, then you can use forecast model. For that you need to click on this analytics, then from under model select forecast, just drag it forecast model on view and drop it on forecast. See, this forecast is generated by Tableau. So what you are seeing, according to Tableau forecast, the seasonal trend does continue into the future. That means at the end of year, sales values are higher as compared to start of year. So this is how you can use forecast model in time series chart. Now we have learned how to build a time series chart with two variables, that is sales and time. We have also learned how to create forecast model in time series chart. However, sometimes it is important to add more variables to a chart to understand and analyze it better. For example, it could be useful to visualize sales by segment or category across the time. This can be done easily. If you want to view sales according to segment, then just select this segment. You can drop it on rows or on color. So I will drop it on colors. So I will get different colors for each segment. See, there are three segments: consumer, corporate and home office. Each are indicated by three different colors: consumer blue, corporate orange and home office red. So here, if you just move your mouse here, so this blue line, it is for consumer. So from this you can easily find out sell amount for January 2014 under consumer segment. Now this is the sales amount for segment home office in month January and year 2014, and this is the sale amount for segment corporate for month January and year 2014, and this is the Tableau's forecast model. Same thing, if you want to view sales by category, then first remove this segment and just drop category on rows or on colors also. So here you can view sales value for each month by product category. These are the three product categories: furniture, office supplies and technologies. So this is the category furniture, month, year and sales amount is given. You can view segment and category together. Just again drag and drop segment on color. So you can view sales amount by category and segment. Okay, now it is correct. So these are the three segments and these are the three product categories. So you have learned how to build a time series chart in Tableau, and you have also learned how to add additional category and segment variables to a time series chart. I hope you understood. Thank you.